for the Golden Jubilee of the Dogma's Proclamation. Over the years, numerous miracles have
We would like to thank Pasig City Band for providing one per hour exhibit. We would also like to thank Marilaya Dance.
Of the Visitation of the Blessed Virgin Mary, but was later dedicated to La Purísima Concepción de Nuestra Señora. The current image of Nuestra Señora, la Inmaculada Concepción de Pasig, was carved between 1902 and 1903 to replace the original image destroyed during the Philippine Revolution. It is believed to have been inspired by the painting of the Immaculate Conception commissioned by St. Pius X for the Golden Jubilee of the Dogma's Proclamation. Over the years, numerous miracles have been attributed to her intercession as she witnessed the growth and history of Pasig City. In 2003, the parish of the Immaculate Conception became the seat of the then newly created Diocese of Pasig. On June 30, 2008, Pope Benedict XVI proclamation of the dogma of the Immaculate Conception, and after 13 years, the Patrona Coronada de Pasig once again graced the streets of the historic rural city of Intramuros during the 43rd Intramuros Grand Marian Procession. Before us now is the image of the official Visitadora replica of Nuestra Señora de la Inmaculada Concepción de Pasig. Together with her are the devotees of the Blessed Virgin Mary. Viva la Virgen! Viva Patrona!